Boat is rocking. Here we are. And say hi. Pistachios. We took naps. And we're under full sails still. And we're heading to Isla Isabela. We left around 9 o'clock. So we found a new place to anchor because there were so many people and some guy was yelling at us. So we decided to come over here to the east side of the island. And it's a little bit more windy, but the view is really pretty. There's no fishing village, which I'm okay with. And there's this really cool rock formation there, but it's really pretty. And there's lots of trees on there, so we're gonna go there soon. Bye. Oh, we found the boobies. It is a video. Oh my gosh.
They're on desk. Don't get too close.
Yeah, don't. You see, they're yelling at us.
Don't get too close.
Look at the boobies. Listen to them.
You don't want them to get
Yeah, they'll get mad.
for their eggs. How would they kill the eggs?
Look at them.
They eat them if they feel threatened.
Wow.
Eat them. Boobies.
Hi, boobies.
Oh, Boobies. Look what I found. Oh my
That's another pair over there.
God,
These aren't like pigeons, they won't eat your food.
I did not bring my phone. Did you bring your phone, Darren? Rachel, please promise you'll give me pictures.
Yeah.
I want this. Boobies. Miss Karen, here, do you want this for the show collection?
The sand is very nice.
Boobies. Karen, look at the boobies. Do you have your phone, sweetie pie?
Oh my gosh, I feel so weird walking on land. Look at these things. And look at those feet.
No, that's a he. That's a he sitting. They're changing places. Mama, look, that's two males sitting on an egg. Yeah, I saw that.
Look at that. They switched spots.
Males are more like all black. And they don't.
So-
Is it only males sitting on eggs? I guess. Boobies. Oh no, look at the rainbow lobster tail.
I have no idea.
Oh my god.
So it's pointed out that these boobies are tagged. They all have little parole monitor bracelets on. I'm just joking, but they're all tagged.
Miss Karen, look at this weird looking rock.
The old descent just fell off the cliff.
Yeah, that's pretty normal.
That weird looking rock looks like it's just got a lot of bird poop.
Remember? Oh, don't throw sand on him. Oh, poor eel. You know what? He might still be able to.
He might still be alive.
He might still be alive.
Aaron, come look at the eel.
There's tons of these guys here.
Yeah, no, I don't see any chicks, so they lay at the same time.
Yeah, they all must. That'd be cool if they hatch while we're here. Yeah, there's lots of birds and these are the fidget birds with those V tails. It's a beautiful island here, and there's tons of birds and tons of poop. And Since I can't smell very well ever, the children said it stinks. People are fishing over there. Yeah.
My mom wanted me to record this because she says it's cool. I think it looks
boobies
cool.
are up there too.
She's all wet.
Okay, ready to do a donut?
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching our trip to Isla Isabela. There's a dead turtle shell that we found, and it was so cool to see these blue booby birds. It's partly why we came. That was a lobster tail. It was just super sweet to see these feet, and yeah, we caught a lot of cool fish, or Eddie did, and gave it to the locals. Bye, we love you guys. God bless.